Mnangagwa warns of more Chiwenga packs. The ZANU-PF leader and president of Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa, is warned of further packs within the ruling party targeting elements opposed to his leadership. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panapa tiri kuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika achiuya panguva inoyi achipa mawarnings kune masupporters ari kushowa support kuna General Chiwenga, achivaudza kuti aiwa the state security haisi kuneta kuzouya kuzokubatai not go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon tipina panapa now pomuda nyumba muchinzi. Mnangagwa also reassured the public that state security structures were in place to safeguard national stability. In quotes, our peace-loving nation stands firm against such treasonous acts of indiscipline. People are called upon to go about their business as usual. Our state security infrastructure is in place to protect property and the safety of all Zimbabweans, from Plumtree to Mutare, Chirundu to Bedbridge. Chiwenga, a key architect of the 2017 coup that ousted RG Mugabe and installed Mnangagwa, was once considered his natural successor for the 2028 elections. However, tensions between the two have intensified, prompting Mnangagwa to systematically sideline military figures loyal to Chiwenga. Sanyato's removal is widely seen as a continuation of this strategy. Previously, he commanded the presidential guard and played a controversial role in suppressing post-election protests in 2018. He was later appointed Zimbabwe's ambassador to Tanzania, a move interpreted as an effort to sideline him. His return to a prominent military post in 2023 signaled Chiwenga's attempt to regain lost ground, but Mnangagwa's swift decision to reassign him underscores the ongoing battle of supremacy within the ruling elite. Tomashikwa nokuda panguva ino yatikuona kuti aiwa the situation is now tense. Tiona kuti aiwa mapower plays ari kuitika mu the ruling party anozoratidza kuti aiwa the situation aiwa haina kana kutombomira zvakanaka, munhu anonyura chete. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Toona the government ichiti aiwa musi wa31 do not suspend your businesses, vanhu endai kumabasa, endai kuzvikoro, but isusu masecurity forces edu achanga ari in place. Chinhu chatiri kuona macitizens ari kuenda against nazvo kuti aiwa we cannot risk our lives. Munai comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.